Let's understand mindset of super achievers, people who are champions, and key qualities they cultivate to ensure they are in super league of top performers in their respective field. Superhumans don't let negative and toxic people rent space in their head. They raise the rent and kick them out. Because toxic people are those who spread negativity. They criticize everyone and every situation. Toxic people judge others. They're occupied in gossip and disrespect others. Superhumans enjoy each and every moment as they believe there is learning in every adverse condition. They look at brighter side of the problem. They believe each condition of life is temporary, so they don't get perturbed or are carried away in any situation. Superhumans have strong conviction that blessings work. So often they spread positive vibrations and frequencies because they strongly believe as we sow, so shall we reap. Superhumans live a life without limits. All things are possible to those who believe. Champions doesn't set limit for themselves. They believe there is no limit of what we can learn with an open mind. There are no limits to what we can accomplish except the limits we place on our own thinking. George Washington made a statement, 99% of our failures comes from people who have a habit of making excuses. The price of greatness is taking responsibility of life, and people with such higher order thinking don't make excuses or blame others. A champion is someone who understands the responsibility that comes with his freedom. Superhumans believe gratitude is the healthiest of all emotions. Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for happiness, as grateful people are successful people. Gratitude helps a person to shield from negativity, makes us 25% happier, rewires our brain, eliminates stress, and boosts self-esteem. Champions are avid readers as it enhances the senses, improves creativity, better reasoning, improves critical thinking, and reduces stress levels. Thus, key to a great life is growth that comes from self-development. It's pretty simple. The more you grow, the more you know. Superhumans believe integrity is the seed for achievement. It is a principle that never fails. Thus, integrity is all about doing the right things. It is being incorruptible, honest, and above all, doing all things when no one is around to see it. Not because you are getting rewarded, but the reward is living a life of integrity. Champions believe the key is not the will to win. Everybody has that. It is the will to prepare to win that is important. They believe by losing a battle, we may find a new way to win the war. Superachievers are obsessed with tenacity, as it is the ability to hang on when letting go appears most attractive. They never confuse a single defeat with a final defeat. Superachievers cultivate grit, as it is guts, resilience, and ability to stay focused, determined, and optimistic in the face of challenge. Grit is the stubborn, that is refusal to quit. While enthusiasm is common, but endurance is rare. Champions believe fear is an illusion and is mind-made. Fear does not stop death, it stops life. Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. They believe fearlessness shall be our secret weapon. Champions keep going despite setbacks and failures, as they believe risk or problems are part and parcel of our life, and they need to be embraced to reach pinnacle of glory in grand style. Well, champions never chase money, they chase purpose and passion. It's simple. Chase the money and money will run faster. Chase your purpose and money will chase you. Superachievers have immense patience level, as patience is power. It waits on the right time to act for the right principles and in the right way. Champions praise others, as they believe praise is like sunlight, helps all to grow. Champions also believe if you cannot praise others, you cannot appraise yourself. Superachievers are neutral, unbiased, and train mind to see good in every situation. Champions follow their own path regardless of others' opinion. They strongly believe in their own instinct and a strong intuition which works for them. Achievers believe the ultimate goal of the blessed life is physical health and mental serenity. Superachievers believe self-introspection is the only rule behind a happy life. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. The more powerful and original a mind, the more it will be inclined towards the religion of solitude. Superachievers believe knowledge is power and is like paint. It does no good unless it is applied. Bill Gates quoted, "Knowledge management is a means, not an end."